how you doing? My name is Julie and welcome to my channel. This is just our weekly chat to show you what projects I have finished this week and to show you what works I have in progress. So, I have this doll that I have finished. It is a pumpkin doll. Now the pumpkin is one of my patterns, except I think I decreased the size of my pumpkin. And this is a one-piece doll. This is I hate sewing on arms and legs, so I really fell in love with this pattern. I found it on Pinterest, and I will leave a link for that. I do plan on making another one that turned out cute. My granddaughter loves this too, so I'll probably end up giving it to her. Well, I finally finished this scarf. It's that net diagonal shawl because it is, I can't talk this evening, what the heck. It is my diagonal net scarf. I just winged it. It kind of goes, I don't know if you can't see, it kind of goes on a diagonal. I just kind of winged it, so this is finally done. This is the only other pattern I have I've done, and this is call it my handy basket. I have a new video and a written tutorial on how to make this basket, so I'll leave that link in the description. And I already have stuff in it. It's already coming in handy. So now time to go on to my projects I got work in progress. I still have, I don't know if the poncho, my Christmas poncho. I've worked a little bit more on this. I usually work on this when I'm at the computer because my computer's kind of slow, so while I'm kind of waiting for it to come up, I would work on this. But I had my daughter works in IT, and I talked to her for a little bit yesterday to try to get my computer to work a little faster. We got rid of some obsolete programs, and I do believe my computer is running a little bit faster. At least some of the annoying programs are gone. Yep, still have the blanket. There it is. All it is like 2 or 3 strands together. Half double crochets. Because I'll probably kick this one in when the weather gets a little cooler, because I think I mentioned this is pretty heavy. Blankets, I still have this other blanket. This is a big V-stitch blanket. So yeah, this is 3 strands held together. So this was already like blue, green, and purple. This one's like red, yellow, and orange. And when I go through these balls, I'll move on to, I think I'll switch up the color combinations. I'll have blue, green, and no blue. Come on out. These colors, the red, the hot pink, and the orange, and let's see what my other set of colors. It'll be the yellow, purple. Okay. Alright. Then finally have a new project. Okay, so if you've seen my last unboxing, I am participating in the Mystery Yarn Challenge 922 hosted by Armchair Chef. I'll leave her video link or her channel link in the description if you want to be part of it next month. I don't know if it'd be too late to try to do September already, but it is going to be a tree skirt. When I did the unboxing, I said that, hey, these remind me of Christmas. But now that I start putting it together, it's looking more like 4th of July, red, white, and blue, than our Christmas colors. But yeah, that's our final project. I have to get this one. I have a deadline to finish, and I want to say it's September 25th, but I am not sure on that. So pretty much the priority is to get the tree skirt done. So make sure you can check out that video that showed all the yarns that's going into this tree skirt. That's it. That's all I have. I always appreciate it when you guys come along and watch these videos. Please let me know in the comments what you like to see from me more. I got a bunch of tutorials. I've done now some yarn reviews. Whenever new yarns come my way, I'll do a yarn review. And okay, I'm debating whether I should drop my personal bombshell in the video. I mean, I do work outside to make a living. I work at a manufacturing plant, and I had learned this past week that the plant I work at is going to shut its doors by the beginning of 2024. So that means I got to look for new work sometime next year. So not looking forward to that. I was kind of hoping that I would still be at my job till I at least retired. That's not the case. So I guess I can embrace it as a new beginning for me. So thank you for letting me ramble about this. So, and I want to thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.